2012 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, CD changer, power passenger seat, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, premium sound system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.